Welcome sa zip9.com. Itutuloy natin yung ating series on quadratic functions. No? And from the previous video, sabi natin if we have two quantities x and y, a quadratic function is a relationship of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. No? So, ang ABC dyan, syempre, ay real numbers. So, ang example ng quadratic functions ay a equals 2x squared. No? So, here, ang a natin ay 2, ang b natin, wala tayong b kasi wala naman tayong x. So, 0 yan. Ang c natin ay 0. So, here, another example would be negative 5x squared plus 2x. No? So, here, a is negative 5, yung kasama ng x squared, and b is 2. Or we can also have y equals 1 half x squared plus 2x minus 4. So a is 1 half, b is 2, and of course c, pwede natin gawin plus yan, di ba? Magiging plus negative 4. So ibig sabihin ng c natin ay negative 4 here. Minus is the same as plus negative. And lastly, we have also y equals, for example, 3x squared minus 5. So dito, wala naman siyang b, ang a niya ay 3, at ang c niya ay negative 5. Okay, so yan yung mga examples some examples of a quadratic function. So in this video, ang gagawin natin is i-graph natin yung pinakasimpleng quadratic function, no? Yung y equals x squared. So, para mag-graph natin, ang pwede natin gawin, of course, is gumawa tayo ng table. No? Siguro from negative to positive, maybe negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, this is our x. This is our y. Anong y natin? X squared. So, magiging 16. Magiging 9. Kasi negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 2 squared is 4. Magiging 1. Magiging 0. Magiging 1. Magiging 4. Magiging 9. Magiging 16. So, these are our ordered pairs. No? Paano natin yan i-graph, no? Okay? So, meron tayong negative 4. Asan ang negative 4? Ito yung x-axis natin, di ba? So, hanapin muna natin yung negative 4. This is negative 4. Asan ang 16? Nasa taas. Masyadong maliit itong graph natin. I think we should sandali lang zoom out natin ng konti. So, dapat meron tayong 16. Dapat nakikita natin yung 16, Oh, there you are. At gawin nating tagwa 1 yung ating y and x axis. Para kitang-kita natin. Maganda may grid para madaling gawin, no? Okay, so meron tayong 1. Negative 416. Nasaan ang negative 416 dito? So, negative 4, this is our negative 4. Tapos yung 16 yung y natin. So, kakaliwa tayo ng negative 4. Since positive yung 16, aakyat tayo ng isa. So, pag x-axis, pag negative, syempre sa kaliwa, this is negative 4. Tapos, hahanapin natin yung positive 16 nandito. Nasaan niya tatapat yung negative 4 tsaka yung 16? This is negative 4, 16. Siguro natin yung kanyang label. Okay, that's our negative 416. Next, what is the y value for negative 3? X squared nga, so magiging 9, di ba? So negative 3 becomes 9. Next, let's copy the visual style para makita natin yung kanyang ano. Next, pag negative 2, what happens? This is 4, di ba? So, negative 2 squared is 4. What else? And then 1, sorry, negative 1 is also 1. And then 0, 0 is 0. So, origin siya. 1 is also 1. 2 is also 4. 3 is also 9. And 4 squared is also 16. Remember, ang ano natin, ang ginagraph natin is y equals x squared, no? So, if we let the value of x, no? Pag ang x natin ay negative 1, negative 1, dapat 1 siya yung y mo. Pag ang x mo ay negative 2, dapat 4 siya. Negative 3, 9. So, dito natin nakuha to, no? Yung mga to. Okay? So, anong napapansin nyo? Una, hindi siya straight line. Kung naalala nyo yung linear function natin, ay hindi siya straight line, no? Yung graph ng linear function natin ay straight line, but here, mukhang meron tayong curve. Of course, although na ang ano natin, ang points natin dito ay discrete, no? Ibig sabihin, individual points. In reality ba, individual points na talaga yung ano, yung x squared, no? Pwede ba tayong kumuha ng 1.5 squared? Saan sa tingin nyo yan? Ayusin ko lang muna to, no? Is also value. Pag ang x mo, for example, ay 1.5. Ano sa tingin nyo ang aking y? 1.5 times 1.5 ilan? This is 2.25. Tama ba ako? I hope that's correct. Okay? So, mayroon tayong something in between, di ba? Now, if, for example, we have 1.25 here. So, pumunta rin dito yung kanyang point, no? Pag in-square mo. So, pag maraming points ka na dito, pwede mo na actually yan gawing parang curve para maging continuous na siya. So, that curve can be described as y equals, it can be represented as y equals x squared. Okay. So, yan na yung curve na yan, no? Okay. Ano napapansin nyo? Symmetric siya sa many properties. Una, symmetric siya sa y-axis. Ibig sabihin ko ano yung mukha niya dito, ganun din yung mukha niya dito. No? Merong line of symmetry. Also, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron tayong mga pare-pareho yung y values na magkaibang x. For example, negative 3, 9, 3, 9. Well, I think that's one of the properties pag symmetric siya with the y-axis. Okay, so pag nag-graph tayo, just a review, hanapin nyo muna yung x, and then hanapin nyo yung y. No? So for example, nag-graph ako ng negative 3, 5. Or for example, negative 3, negative 5. Review lang ito ng graphing. No? Negative 3, saan ang negative 3? Sa x ka muna mauna, hanapin mo yung negative 3. Negative 3, and then saan yung negative 5 sa baba? So therefore, ito yung point mo na yan, negative 3 ay negative 5. Anyway, review lang ito, no? So kung talagang medyo mahirap sa inyo or hindi ko pa alam, ay panoorin nyo yung ating tutorials on how to plot graphs. No? Maraming salamat, and I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. See you in the next tutorial.